Given below are some means of transport. Take help from the help box and name them and color them. Boat, scooter, train, jeep, bus, jet, truck, car, auto.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.